What's up, my loves? It's your girl Dluvly, and you are back here watching another video. If you are new to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free subscription, so you would be doing your girl a great favor by doing that. And don't forget to like this video. It will help me out so much. And also don't forget to leave a nice old comment. Let me know how you guys' day is going. Alright, so let's just go ahead and jump in today's video. It is all about your girl Ravenelyse. Yes, ma'am. For those who follow her on her social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, and also her YouTube channel, comment down that below. I have been watching this girl for so very long, and guys, when I tell you, she is my absolutely favorite YouTuber in the game. I scrolled across her page years ago. Even before I started my YouTube journey, I had no idea that I could do this, and I just kept watching her, and so on, so out. So the other week, I got this random message that I had won the mystery makeup box giveaway. Guys, when I tell you, I received that message and I was so freaking happy, excited. I was driving down the road, and I am going to insert some footage here to let you know how overjoyed I was feeling when I received that message in my DM. So prior to receiving the message in my DM, she had a contest that was going on, and it was saying whoever is the most engaged in her content, whether it was on her Twitter account, her YouTube, her Instagram, on her podcast. But anyway, I received this package 2 days ago, and I started wondering. I was like, did they deliver my package to the wrong house, to the wrong location? And now I'm out of my mystery box. But lo and behold, I got home like I said, 2 days ago, and it was sitting by my door. So I was like, yes, because I was giving up. I was. But anyway, guys, I am going to, this is the box where all the mystery makeup is in, and I am going to do the unboxing on camera because I wanted to share with you guys as well what I am receiving and what I could be using for the fall months to be coming up. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the mystery box and share with you guys what I have received. And I'm so excited. Like, guys, this is my very first time receiving anything from a person that I've been subscribed to for many years. Now, I have entered other YouTubers contests, so let's just go ahead and open up the box. Guys, oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God, I've been wanting to open up this box for a couple days now, and I'm like, no girl, wait until you do it on camera. I even thought about opening up and retaping it, but I'm like, that's not genuine. That's not gonna show your real reaction, and I just wanted it all to be documented. So in the box, here is the box when I first opened it, which it says, thank you. Hey girl, I just wanted to say thank you for always supporting me. People like you really motivate me to keep going. I hope you enjoy this box of goodies. Love, Ravenelyse, Ravenelyse TV. And she signed it. Oh, I have her autograph, guys. Look at that. So cool. Like, listen, this is motivation. This is motivation for me to continue to keep going. All right, so when I open it, it's wrapped up in bubble wrap. So when I first open it, it is a Kendra Scott cup holder, which is really nice. to hold your cans and glass, anything that's cold. Then I have a $sign styles. This could be like a passport holder, or it can hold like my credit cards and my ID right here, and then I could put like some other type of paper right there. So that's really cute and different with the $signs. I love the moolah peso $sign. Here we are. I have a Bare Minimus eyeliner pencil, and your girl needed another eyeliner pencil, and it is like a deep orange. It's like a deep orange color by Bare Minimus, and this is perfect for the fall, which is coming up. Then I have another Bare Minimus blush. Oh my god, guys, I needed some more blush when I was getting dressed this morning, and I had to put on this little pink blush. I was like, okay girl, you need to get you some more blush for the fall. And I had some burgundy, like some deep pink rose blush, but I do not know what happened to it. So some link and lip mascara. I needed some more of this as well. I've never used this mascara, black brown mascara brand, and I will very thankful for that. I also received some metallic liquid eyeshadow. I love the metallic top. That's really cute, and it has like specks of glitter in it. I received a pink eye mask, which is so adorable. And for those who watch my self-care video, then you would know that I had like a pink head wrap type of bow on my hair to keep my braids out of my face, and it is the exact same fabric. The next thing I received is a Dazzle Dust highlighter. Okay, so this is the highlighter, and it's like another pinkish. So this is probably good on your cheeks, and also a highlighter, guys. I like using highlighter on my body. I did not put on any today, but I will put like highlighter on my chest and on my arms. It is a lot in this box, guys. I have a eyeshadow palette, and it's like in purple, off-white, like an ivory. Oh, and it actually tells you like the purple one is for the base, and then the shimmer is for up top, and then the bottom is for the liner. Oh, I like that. That's different. Receive lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter. Okay. I also received some icing. Oh, I used to shop here so much when I was a little bit younger. It is a 5-piece brush set, and it's mint green, and Ravenelyse loves some mint green. She loves mint green and pink, so this is really cute. And then it also comes with the, it looks like the eyeshadow holder. Yep, so you just put the makeup brushes in the eyeshadow holder case. I also received a Makeup Forever Professional Paris Brow Collection. So this is pretty much a little on-the-go carry wallet with a zipper in the back that holds your makeup. You can never have enough of those. I also received a Glow Glass Wink Lash. So Glow Glass, another lip gloss, and that's in like a deep pink, which I like. I love pink on my lips. Real nail polish strips. Oh, okay, so you apply the strips on your nails like fingernail polish, but they are strips. That's cute. I didn't even know they made strips for regular nails. These are really cute gold earrings. And then I have a all day intense gel eyeliner. Definitely need another one of these. So this box of goodies is on point. Okay, extra. Wow. Wink Lush Eyelashes. Now these right here, these eyelashes are long. Thank you, Raven. These are super, super long eyelashes. Your girl wears some eyelashes. I don't know if I don't wear them that long. Here is another metallic eyeshadow. Oh, a blender. Oh, this is one of my favorite colors, blue, but a skin sponge blender to help apply. This helps apply the makeup on the skin. So I definitely needed another blender, and I started to buy one the other day, but I was like, no, because my mystery box will be arriving soon and it may be one in there. So that is what my girl Ravenelyse sent me, and I am so very thankful for all these items that I received. If you are watching this video, Raven, thank you so very much for sending me this mystery box. It means so much for me, and I'm gonna continue to follow you on your journey. And for everybody else, thank you so much for watching, taking time out of your day to watch me unreveal what Raven sent me. I hope you guys are having a great day. Comment down below if you have ever received anything from someone on YouTube or Instagram platform. Until the next time, don't forget to like this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will chat with you down in the comment section below.